My friends, welcome back to another video. This is incredible changes occur in the Shiba Inu token. Holders wake up. What's going in this time in the Shiba Inu token? Let's see, my friends. Before starting this interesting video, before seeing the more details about the Shiba Inu token, please I request all of you once again that please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways, my friends, let's start the video, friends, and let's move on. So friends, the current price of the Shiba Inu token in the market as 0.0012 USD dollar, friends. Absolutely, if you imagine the price of the Shiba Inu token is rise up, and very soon we found the Shiba Inu token price is 0.01 USD dollar, friends. I'm feeling about Shiba Inu token as very good, friends. And remember that, tell me in the comment box, how do you feel about Shiba Inu token today? Please tell me now in the comment box. Type your impression, type your expression about Shiba Inu token in a comment box. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing and comment us, friends. Now if you look, the price change is okay in the Shiba Inu, so absolutely the last 1 hour price change is going positive, and that is why I'm very happy and I'm smiling today. Today is my good day. You know what? Because at this time I'm holding a 25 plus coin, and my all coin is going positive at this time. That is why today is my good day, and today I'm very happy, friends. So I also want to congratulate all Shiba Inu token holders, because Shiba Inu is again start moving upward, and now they are also in the profit, friends. Let's see, my friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour pricing is positive, except of the last 1 hour the previous change is negative, but very soon with the passage of time the previous change will become positive. Don't worry about this, friends. The market rank of the Shiba Inu token is 24%, same like that. If we talk about the market cap, so the market cap is going upward, the market volume is also going upward, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. Let's see what's going. Absolutely, they goes upward, and now at this time, especially at this time, the holders are deciding doing a very big mistake. Especially as you can see here, that is the last 1 hour. Now at this time they start jumping upward, but especially on this time, as you can see here, at this time the Shiba Inu token is fast down for a little time, and this little fast a lot of holders decide to sell Shiba Inu token, and absolutely, as you can see here, after this fast the Shiba Inu token again take a jump. So same like that, if you decide to sell Shiba Inu token due to this small funds, so absolutely you are in the loss. Don't decide, I think, don't decide to sell Shiba Inu token before the end of this month, friends. Absolutely hold Shiba Inu token in the last of this week, and if you invest for a long time, so absolutely that's really good. But for short term investor, my suggestion is to hold with the last of this month, friends. That's my suggestion for short term investor. And if you are a long term, so please hold it for with the end of 2021, friends. Anyways, as you can see here, a lot of people also ask me this question, that what's the best time, is it the best time to buy, sell or hold? So as I also told you, and I recommend for all of my viewers at this time to please hold. Don't think about sell Shiba Inu token, because Shiba Inu token will give you good amount of profit in the last of this month, friends, in the last of 2021, friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, friends. The price is as 23.88% negative. Very soon they will become positive, and the highest price is 0.000016 USD dollar, friends. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.